tell me a little bit about this TCT Award. What is it? Who does it? And what does it mean for Labconco?
So the TCT Award is meant to highlight excellence within additive manufacturing, specifically within the application for new additive technologies, new applications or novel applications that have been applied. And so what we've done is, Brandon and I, when we were developing FlexFlow, he had come up with a component that it's meant to keep two bearings apart, two shafts apart from each other, to prevent them from coming close to each other, and that causes the chain that's around these bearings to slip off and results in the product failing. And so he came up with a part, and as I looked at it, I recognized that there was an opportunity to apply kind of some additive manufacturing magic to it. It would be about $600 to $900 to machine it, but instead we were 3D printing it, and even though we were getting pretty significant cost savings, it was about $60 per part. There was still an opportunity to really take advantage of what our 3D printers can do and cut that cost down even farther. It's a design technique called generative design, where instead of us designing the part, we give it kind of a basic overview of like, this is where the critical features are, and the rest is up to the computer. And it comes up with multiple generations of different designs that could work. So what I did after that is apply kind of a lattice to it. Not in a traditional sense. It wasn't, click and go. But came up with a way of being able to put a lattice structure around this cage to still prevent fingers from getting into it while also cutting down on the material. We had to go back and come up with an entirely new structure that would work and that wouldn't warp when we went through the die process. And so I think we went through 6 or 8 different iterations before we finally had a part that was good. But it is a production part, and that was a thing that I think stood out on the TCT level, is that this is something that is in production. We are producing them, we are manufacturing them, and they are going on products that are going out the door.
It's really changing the way our company's working, and it's one of many things,
And 75% savings on top of, when we went from the machining to additive manufacturing, was a 90% cost savings, and we cut that back even further. By applying some of these unique design techniques that we can do in additive manufacturing that make it so that it's the only possible way to manufacture the component.
Incredible.